Hey everyone, this is Josh with HostGator. Today I'm going to show you how to check what kind of PHP version you're using on your website and how to change it through cPanel. We'll start out here in our cPanel, and today, before I do anything, I'm going to check what kind of PHP version I'm using, and I'm going to be working on my primary domain today. So that's b-radpit.com, and all the content for that is stored in public_HTML. So your primary domain is always going to store content there. I want to create a PHP info page. We're going to click on File Manager. It's going to take me to my home directory. So now I want to scroll down until I see public_HTML, and I'm going to double click that icon. And this is taking me to the directory root for my primary domain. So all my website content is stored in here, and this is where I'm going to create my PHP info page to see which kind of version I'm using. Now we have a cool article that I'll link in this video. It actually has all the code that you need to add to this file. So we'll click this and we'll copy. And we'll head back to our file manager. So now I actually need to create the phpnfo.php file. So we'll click up here in the top left-hand corner, and we'll give it a title, phpnfo.php. Now it's very important that it has the .php extension at the end. You can really name this file anything that you want, but as long as it has the .php, you'll be good to go. And we'll click Create New File. As you can see here, I've got this file down below. What I want to do is click on it and then right-click to edit. It's always going to give you that warning to back up the original file, but since it's empty, there's no reason to back it up. And we'll go ahead and click Edit. Now we'll paste the code that we found in that article, and what we're going to do is save changes. So this is going to show us a good deal of information about the PHP version that we're using. We got a success bar down there at the bottom that says the changes have been saved, and so we'll close out of this now. Now I'm going to go to my website, and all I need to do is at the end of it just do /phpnfo.php and hit enter. And cool. Now this is my PHP info page. Up here at the top, it'll show you exactly which version that you're using. And there's a whole bunch of information down here on the specific modules that are installed and included. But right now, we're just going to worry about the PHP version that our site is using. Let's say I want to update this to something that's a bit newer. 5.6 is a little old, and it could be reaching end of life soon. So I want to change it to 7.1. Now let's go back to our cPanel here. And what I'm looking for is the PHP Selector plugin. You can type PHP in the search bar up here and click PHP Selector. This is going to take us to a new page where we can start to manage the different PHP versions that are in use. Now it's good to note here that this is a directory base, so your public HTML or your home directory can have different versions of PHP. And since we're working on my primary domain, I know for certain that I want to change the public HTML version. So let's click here at the bottom, public HTML. And now you can see that we're actually inside of that directory, and it's showing me some of the folders that are in there. And what I want to do here is change this drop-down to the version that I want to use. So I want to use 7.1, so I'll click that, and then we'll click Update. Get a nice notification that it's been changed. And now all we need to do is go back to my PHP info page and refresh to ensure that the change took place. And there we have it. Now I'm using PHP version 7.1. Now if I have a plugin or a theme that needed a specific version, I should be all set. And that's it. That's how you check which PHP version you're using and how to change it through cPanel. Thanks for watching these videos. If you have any comments or suggestions, please leave them below and subscribe if you want to see more. Thanks, y'all.